Hello, I'm Joseph Armstrong from Triple Cheese Productions. In today's episode, we will go over the user interface for Excel and demonstrate a few basic formulas. For the beginner, it is imperative to know how to use Excel for personal reasons, business reasons, or because you like your friends that much. First click on cell A1, then type equals rand between 1, 100. Now, click and hold the bottom right corner of the cell and drag down the column to cell A30. In cell C1 type equals sum, A1 A30. You can also click and drag the cursor down the column you wish to select. This will add together any numbers in the cells selected. Next we are going to learn how to do conditional formatting, which will increase organization and clearly keep important records easy to see. Keep everything on your screen. Do not change any numbers or formatting. First click on cell E1 and type A1, then go to cell E2 and type 2 finally. Go to cell E3 and type 3. Now, click on cell E1. Hold Shift and use the arrow down button to select the cells you just typed in. Click and drag the little green square in the bottom right corner of that cell to cell E40. This will cause all the numbers in one cell to be tessellated from cell E1 to cell E40. Under the Styles section on the very top on the screen, select the Condition Formatting option. Hover over the Highlight Cells rule. Select the Greater Than option. In the box on the left, format cells type 20. In the box on the right, change the option to green fill with dark green text. Then click OK. The cells with a value greater than 20 will be highlighted green. To mark values less than 20, click the Highlight Cells rule. Select less than. Type 20 in the left box. Click OK. Now the cells with values less than 20 will be highlighted red. You can repeat the steps as necessary for formatting needs. This is very handy if you want to visually see your data in many colors. Now, we will be going over how to insert a scatter plot into an Excel workbook. You can use charts in Excel to better analyze your data, and to help make your data presentable to someone like your boss, or your friend that failed pre-algebra. Start with going to cell G1 and type equals E1 to the second power. This will square the number in E1 and prevent Excel from using row F if you drag the cursor to the right. Next, click and drag the little green square in the bottom right of the cell down to cell G40. Click on the Insert tab in the Excel menu. Go to the Charts section and click Scatter Plot. Click the option with no connecting lines in the menu. A chart with an exponential graph will appear. And finally, name the chart whatever the appropriate title is. This concludes our video covering the basics of Microsoft Excel. As always, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Microsoft Office.